Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the McDonald's application login issues if you are not able to log in properly. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the McDonald's application on your device, but when you try to log in, you get various issues, then there are some things that you will need to carefully check. The first thing to make sure is that you are using the correct email address and password. From the login screen, just type in your correct email address and password and double check to make sure that you have not made any typos. Now, if you're using your correct credentials but you are still unable to access your account, then you will need to contact the support team for the McDonald's app. So in order to do this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in McDonald's and start your search. Once you find the McDonald's application, go ahead and tap on it and scroll down and you will find App Support. From the App Support page, tap on the drop-down menu and tap on the email address that you see within. Now you can simply choose your email application to send a direct mail to the support team. Within the subject section, type in failed login, and then within the main body you can simply type in that you are using your correct email address and password but you are still unable to access your account. Then make sure to mention just your username or your email address, but don't mention your password. Finally, tap on the send button, and now all that's left to do is to wait for the response from the support team. When you receive a response within your email, you can just follow the instructions within to regain access into your account and solve the login issue. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on solving the login issues within the McDonald's application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.